Hey there, gang, and happy Monday. Real quick, Kim here from Your Chic Geek wanted to pop in and to share some information about a software app that is helping people with creating puzzle books, specifically crossword puzzle books that you can sell on KDP, on Etsy, in your own shop, and so on and so forth. So, before we dive in, I would love for you guys to like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Let's go ahead though and let's dive in, gang. Listen. I did not know that crossword puzzle books were as profitable until I started doing the research. And so let me just show you what I mean. All right, so taking a look at Publisher Rocket. So for those of you that are not familiar with Publisher Rocket and what it is, it's essentially a keyword research tool that is created by the folks over at Publisher Rocket, Dave Kessin and team, and they've done a fantabulous job with the software. So anyways, what I did was I just basically went into Publisher Rocket. I went into the competition analyzer. I cannot talk, but I went into the competition analyzer and I just typed in crossword puzzles just to see what would come up. And gang, look at some of the earnings from some of these books. So we have here a medium crossword puzzle book that has over 100 puzzles. It looks like it's medium level, and looks like this was published just not too long ago, actually. So age, it says 59 days ago. The BSR is already pretty low. It's at $12.99. The daily sales for this one book is almost $600. So this one book, guys, is making almost $14K per month. So again, I am pretty shocked at some of these numbers. So let's keep scrolling down here. So these are some other books that are coming up. Here's another one right here that's making $4,000 per month. Here's another one here that is making $14,000 per month. And the list goes on. And here's one more right here that is making $5,813 per month. So if you want to take a deeper look into these books to kind of, see what you can pick up from them as far as, what they're earning and so on and so forth, all you have to do is click check it out. So we're going to go and take a look at this one. This is a bestseller over here on Amazon. They have a paperback version, a hardcover version, and they have a spiral bound, which I'm not sure how they are getting this into a spiral bound unless they are publishing this through something like Ingram Spark. But if we scroll down here, you can see that there's over 50 puzzles in here, and so on and so forth. This book was published in October of 2024, and it's making some good coin. So if we keep going down, you can see this is the A+ content in here, which looks really good. They have a collection here. So they have a book brand, which is something that I teach, and from Publish to Profit. And if you keep scrolling, you can just see that, these are all of the comments that they have or the reviews that they have, which they are pretty good. But I just wanted to show you guys, what is possible and what some people are making with publishing these simple books. Now, when you sign into the software application in the back end, this is what it looks like. So basically, you're going to have these two templates over here to the left. The first template right here is the template that has the grid at the top, which your solutions, or not your solutions, but the actual puzzles here at the bottom. And then the second one has the grid over to the left with the puzzles over to the right. I'm going to show you really quickly how you would go in to edit these templates, and it's pretty easy. So for example, if you want to edit this puzzle, you're just going to click here, and you're going to see that over here to the right that this is going to pop up this section here that has a little pencil icon. It has the alignment icon right here, and then it has the option for you to delete this if you want to as well. But what we're going to do is go ahead and click to edit the words, because these are all of the words that are in the puzzle. So all you would do is if you wanted to come in and change something is you could just come up here, for example, and if, for example, you wanted to put sweater as something, so you can do sweater right here, and then you can just do, or we'll just do t-shirt. So we'll do t-shirt. Okay, something that you can wear on the top of your body that is light. I'm just making this up. Pants, we can just do trousers, or we can just do a belt. Okay, clothing item that you wear to hold up your clothes. Clothes. And then after you make your changes to the the word list, which is what this is, what you'll do is go ahead and click save, and those changes will be saved. Now you can come here down to the bottom and you're going to see that the updates that you've made are going to show. So here is number 3 across. So it says a clothing item that you can wear to hold up your clothes. That's where we have belt. Excuse me. And then over here is where you would have something that you can wear on the top of your body that is light, and that is for the t-shirt. And so what you would do in order to see your solutions is, you see here where it says show solutions, you can click on this, and then this is where you can basically generate your solutions. You can tell it that you want to show one solution per page, 5 solutions per page, etc. So I usually stick to about 4 or 6, so I can do this to generate the solutions. And then here's what it looks like here. Okay, so here you go. So this is the page number 1 puzzle, and then this is the page number 2. So you see that? So that is essentially how it goes. And then we have belt right here, and then we have shirt. And that is basically what you would be able to do with these puzzles. And then what you can do from here is, once you're happy, you've created, 50 puzzles for a book, so on and so forth. You can just go here to download. You can download it as a PNG, you can download it as a JPEG, you can download it as a PDF, or you can download it as a PowerPoint template, or not template, but PowerPoint files as well. So there's so many options in here for you guys to use. Now, what I like to do is I use a software application to create the puzzles themselves, and then I download it as a PNG file and upload it over into Canva, where I can add, some designs, I can add some other elements to really make it look good. Okay. So that's something else worth considering for you guys. But that is essentially what you would do. Now, if you're not sure on how to go about creating like your cover for your puzzle books or the interior, I do have a puzzle book creator toolkit that is available. I'm going to put the link below. That is completely customizable and editable with Canva. So I think that I have shown that before, but let me just show you what that looks like in case that's something that you want to use in conjunction with this software application. Done with creating your puzzle book interior pages and you're ready to publish them. If you're not good with or design, if you don't want to design things from scratch, again, I do have this toolkit creator that is available to help you. And this is called the Puzzle Book Creator Toolkit. So this consists of some cover designs. These are all editable templates with Canva. So this is what the cover designs look like. They're drag and drop. You have some templates here that are for teens. You have them here for adults. You have them here for seniors, for kids, the whole 9 yards. And I have an interior that you can use as well to customize and edit and make your own. I also have videos that show you how to edit these templates and all of that good stuff. But all of these are pretty much drag and drop templates. So you can just drag, your puzzle covers, not puzzle covers, but your interior pages or samples and etc. into these templates, print them out, and then upload them into your KDP account as they are already formatted for that. So I wanted to show you that. But essentially, this is the tool right here. And, it basically is really quick and easy to use, as you can see here. And like I said, basically, it's just in 3 steps. So again, you're going to choose your layout, which you can see these are the 2 templates over here below that you can choose as a layout. You can customize the templates, and they also have training videos to show you guys how to walk through, how to customize your templates, how to make them your own, how to add your own titles, your text, so on and so forth. If you want to make it bigger, larger, all of that is there for you to use. And then again, you can just download it and select the type of download that you want to use in this specific puzzle that you're going to be creating. And then again, you would take those and you would upload them into the formatting tool of your choosing. So again, it could be Canva, which is what I use. It could be PowerPoint, which is what a lot of other people use, or it could be something like Affinity Publisher. So again, but these tools are really, really great to use. And right now they do have this on sale for $47, and it's a one-time fee. So you don't have to worry about paying. Let's see, let me go down here. Okay. But yeah, so it's $47. It's a one-time fee. So you don't have to worry about paying, for the recurring membership fees and all of that kinds of stuff. If you just want to get one-off tools, which is something I do like to do. So it is available to you for just $47. And so I just wanted to share this with you guys, because like I said, I do love creating puzzle books, and there's a lot of opportunity out there still for you to create these books and sell them on KDP, on Etsy, and so on and so forth. So again, just wanted to drop in and share this information with you guys. I hope that you guys have a great week ahead. And if you have any questions for me or concerns, just give me a shout and let me know below. But thanks so much for dropping in to watch this, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which is going to be out later this week. Okay, take care and bye-bye.